Improved aerodynamics is crucial to save fuel and cut CO2 emissions. That's why the new Volvo FH Aero and F16 Aero features an all-new aerodynamic exterior design. The cab's front has been lengthened and the corners more rounded. These upgrades significantly improve airflow around the vehicle, reducing drag along the sides. The new design maintains optimal aerodynamics even in high crosswinds. The sleek camera monitor system arms provide a major aerodynamic advantage over conventional mirrors. Finally, split lines and gaps are sealed and smoothed out, allowing air to pass with minimal resistance. Together, these enhancements contribute to smoother airflow around the vehicle, reducing energy usage and extending the truck's operational range.